Now, I just cleaned the cap and rotor, and it seems a little bit better, but it's definitely still sputtering a little bit, especially like right after I started it. And I really don't like, it must have taken the friggin' thermostat out. I mean, there's a thermostat that was in the the trunk, in a box in the trunk, and I'm guessing that I've seen that go up a little bit higher, so I'm thinking that the temperature gauge is working, but I think it should be at 80 or maybe even above. Now it's interesting, the clicker just went off. Sometimes that thing has been staying on when I drive. It seems like if I open the door, there it starts again. So it seems to be something related to, I guess, the alarm system. But here we go, we got a green light. I can hear the cat rattling down there. And I got a stop sign for construction workers here. And so I stopped. Okay, they switch it to slow. And I'm gonna try to be mindful and make sure this video doesn't get up above 3 minutes. So here, it's interesting. It feels like I'm lugging it at, you know, nearly 3,000 RPMs. And like I can hear the rattling in the cat. Like I'm just pushing the motor too hard at those RPM rates. Now, second gear feels okay. Truck pulling up out here. But red light up here. I'm gonna get some stretch of roadway where I can get on it a little bit better after the second red light up here. You know, maybe the cat needs to be cleared out, but I don't know if I'm doing it any favors. You gotta pull the plugs. I only did check the rotor so far and it was green, corroded, so definitely a good idea to put new plugs in this car.